for part of the day, at least out along the coast. I don't know much about inland, but it seemed very clear.
Everyone had beautiful sky conditions starting early this morning and going until about 7 o'clock tonight. It was really quite nice, and we had a little bit of cloud cover that started east and then during the evening hours started to move towards the west coast. So this is what it looked like all day long from our Sarasota Bay Cam, and you can see a lot of people taking advantage of the waterways and getting out and enjoying the warm air and the clear skies. Notice we just had nothing but clear blue skies all the way till 6:30 right here along the coastline, and then during the evening we started to get the rain showers forming as a result of a collision between the sea breeze on the west coast and the sea breeze on the east coast. So they got together and they formed a line right here where we had most of the rain that took place throughout the evening hours. And now things are starting to die down a little bit as we begin to cool off a little bit as well, but the heaviest rainfall was primarily around Wauchula, Arcadia, and now that is all drifting on up towards the north. And we've been getting some showers down around Charlotte County. They've had some heavier rains reported there, but you can see that they've been glancing off into the Charlotte Harbor area and then now moving out into the Gulf of Mexico. And the lighter rain still taking place well east of I-75. Nothing happening much along the Gulf Coast, but take a look at the rainfall amounts. You can see about an inch of rain down over the southern sections between Bradenton and Sarasota, and then we move east and we're looking at over an inch to an inch and a half, a little over that, across parts of Wauchula and Arcadia, and lesser amounts in between, and some places not getting anything. So for tonight, we're going to see those rains pretty much abating, and then we're going to be left with a couple of clouds coming on through. The winds start to shift around. They're going to be coming in out of the south, and that's going to help to raise our temperatures up throughout the day tomorrow. So we are looking for warmer readings coming back into the forecast. A little bit of cloudiness throughout the overnight time period. We're going to be left with partly cloudy skies for us. A few showers during the afternoon hours. Once again, that sea breeze from the east coast meeting up with the west coast, and we're going to see that line of rain developing during the afternoon or late part of the day into the evening hours for tomorrow. But we won't see a whole lot along the coastline once again. And those warm temperatures are going to be back with us. We've got a stationary front now helping to produce some showers here across the central part of the country. And then we have the next cold front, and that's already out west, and it's going to march across the country, and we're going to start to feel the effects of that by Thursday here across the Sun Coast. That's what we've got to look forward to. And we had highs today that climbed up to 83 degrees. The overnight low was 65, and you can see where we're supposed to be 59 and 78. That's normal. So this was well above normal, and we're going to see that again for tomorrow. So today we had a high of 87 in Arcadia, 89 in Punta Gorda, 85 Wauchula, and even farther to the east, temperatures close to 90 degrees. Along the west coast, right along the coastline, of course, temperatures were much cooler in the low 80s, and right now everyone is reporting temperatures in the 70s. So tomorrow we're going to get back up into the 80s, and for the most part we could see those temperatures in the low 80s once again. And if you're heading off to the beach tomorrow, another great beach day, southeasterly winds, 10 knots and 1 to 2 foot seas. So over the next several days, we're going to have another great start to the week. We've got a little bit of morning fog on Tuesday. That cold front will become a cool front by Thursday. Temperature may be 78 degrees, not much in the way of rainfall. We keep our temperatures mostly in the 80s throughout the entire time period, and maybe introduce some rain back in the forecast next weekend. Adam?